Presenting Vivo Y33s. This smartphone comes in two color variants of Midday Dream and Mirror Black. The phone features 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. It has dual nano SIM connectivity with 4G connection and dual standby. The 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with 2408 by 1080 pixels resolution gives you an immersive viewing experience. Unlock your phone in one seamless motion with a side power button that is also a robust fingerprint scanner. Alternatively, use Face Wake whenever needed in a blink of an eye. The 50-megapixel with 2-megapixel and 2-megapixel rear camera and 16-megapixel selfie camera lets you capture every moment on the go. The FunTouch OS 11.1 operating system based on Android 11 with MediaTek Helio G80 octa-core processor gives you a smooth performance. The 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charge lasts long for you to enjoy your movies. The box includes handset, documentation, USB cable, charger, card eject tool, phone case and protective film. This product